I got one more surprise for Jeanine that she doesn't know about.
Wait, that's why you packed for me?
Open.
Look how cute!
What is up, guys? Today is a very, very special day. It is my wife's birthday. She's 31. I can't believe we've been together for, this is her 3rd birthday, I believe, that we're together. And we got a baby on the way. It's crazy. But today is a special day. I have it all planned out. Jeanine has no idea what we're doing today. I started the morning. I'll show the clip. I made her breakfast. Full course meal. She loves pancakes and bacon and sausage and eggs, and so I just made everything. I'll drop that video down so you guys can kind of see what I did. And then I'm gonna take you guys along today for all her birthday surprises. Have a lot in store, it's gonna be so fun. So let's go wake our girl up. Oh, you're awake. She wasn't even asleep. I told you to sleep in today.
I couldn't, my brain was up at 7:40.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
I've been working for the last 2 hours on this breakfast.
I know.
It's the hardest thing I've ever done.
But it's good. I got to be in bed and read my Bible and journal, and you gave me time to do that.
You're 31. Can you believe it?
I can't. I'm literally journaling, and I'm like, that feels so old, but my spirit still feels like I'm 27.
You're so young.
I don't feel like I'm 31 at all.
You're so young. You're beautiful too. And we're having a baby in 2 months.
I know.
Happy birthday.
Thanks, baby.
I got a special day planned for you.
Yay.
It's kind of like,
I'm so excited.
today is, I left some things open for you to choose, you know? Choose what we do, choose different things. It's gonna be a fun day.
Okay.
Okay, so let's get out of bed.
Okay.
All right, let's go. Cover your eyes. Hang on. Open.
Babe, that's so beautiful.
Little oceanside breakfast with the fire. I almost died with the fire.
Really?
Yeah,
that thing will light your
turned it
eyebrows
on.
off.
Yeah, and almost killed me.
Yeah, you gotta do it on real slow.
Yeah.
Aw, cute, honey.
So
I love the flowers.
I got all your favorite stuff. We got bacon, we got sausage, we got eggs, we got, literally I made like 5 pancakes
Holy moly.
with chocolate chips in them, bananas in them. Got your orange juice.
Aw,
and then we
so
kind of got to get ready soon. So
what time? Okay.
a little bit, but we got to leave at least in an hour.
Oh shoot, I look like this still.
So let's eat real quick and then we'll go.
Alright.
Okay. How is it?
It's so good.
Isn't it so good? I've gotten a lot better at cooking.
Oh yeah, that new grill that you got is like life-changing.
It is.
The flavors of all of this is unbelievable.
It was probably some of my best work.
And I love just like, you just love cooking out there. It's so fun.
It is fun.
It's so good. Very happy, 10 out of 10. Okay, so today I am 31 years young. That's right. 31 years young. Because I don't feel 31, to be honest. I'm almost like, how did we get here? I don't know. Today's my birthday. Caleb has a whole day planned for us. It's so sweet. I'm so excited to see. I'm hoping I get my nails done because they need help. So we'll see what he does today, but I did get a little package from my management. Yay, I love crumble cookies.
Wait today, baby.
Yeah.
What if I told you I was taking you golfing? Would you be upset?
Yeah, probably. I don't think that's really something that I want to do on my birthday. Sounds like something you want to do on your birthday.
Your birthday is about me. We go golfing, we go play basketball.
Someone's like actually gonna believe you.
We should go to a Thunder game.
Hey, I think that's where we're having our baby.
No, we're having it somewhere else.
Oh, we're not?
Yeah, not.
Okay, good, because I don't want to have my baby in a Sooners hospital. It's an OU medical center. My baby cannot be a Sooner.
You might have to be.
No, no way.
You might have to be.
No. He's a Longhorn.
Up on the birthday agenda is to get
these done. They need it so badly. I was right. I said in the vlog, I said, I hope he's taking me to get my nails done.
Guys, it's been a while since my feet are looking rough. So
mine too.
I'm gonna get a pedicure with you, just out of solidarity, just so you don't feel uncomfortable by yourself. I'm doing it for you.
I need the moral support.
I'm doing it for you. It's not about me, it's about you. It's your birthday, it's not mine. It's yours.
Let's go, babe.
This is nice.
This is beautiful. Babe, good find. This is nice. You'd think it was his birthday. This is so nice though, I'm not gonna lie. Getting my nails done for the first time in 2 months. I did let them heal as long as possible. They do look better, but they still need a little bit of work. You on speaker and you can say, wait, Riley, tell the vlog what you got me.
This is Janine's next surprise.
Booked Jeanine for a massage, a surprise massage for her birthday, prenatal massage.
I'm so excited. I cannot wait to just relax. Get you a best friend like that.
Riley saved me some money, so I appreciate that.
Thanks, Ry. You're the best.
Oh, I love you.
I love you.
Enjoy your massage. I'm gonna go to the driving range while you're
You would.
getting your massage.
Bye.
I love you.
Love you.
Have fun.
Thank you.
Okay, I just dropped off Jeanine for her massage, and now I'm gonna go back home. So what Jeanine does not know is I booked us a hotel downtown Oklahoma City, in a beautiful hotel, and she has no idea. And so I'm gonna go home, I'm gonna pack our bags. Hopefully I get everything right. I'm just gonna throw all her stuff into a big bag, and I'm gonna come back and pick her up at the massage place. She said she wanted to work out, so we're gonna get a quick workout in at Lifetime, and then I'm gonna take her to the mall, let her pick out a pair of shoes, and then I'm gonna go surprise her with the hotel stay, and then I got us like a reservation by the restaurant, or by the hotel. So it's gonna be fun. So come with me to try to pack Janine's bag. I have no idea what I'm doing. Hopefully I don't forget something. I know I probably will. Honestly, packing for women, when I pack, it's my toothbrush, toothpaste, deodorant, and a couple shorts, maybe some underwear. I'm kidding, definitely a lot of underwear, but anyways, it's weird. Well, I don't know why I'm talking about underwear. All right, bye. I made it back home. I have about 20 minutes and I need to get Jeanine all packed up. And we are still not moved in. Like, we still have so much to do. Like, it's been a slow process, but we've slowly got moved in a little bit. You can kind of see that. Still been kind of traveling a lot since we moved here. We're going to Nashville, I think, next week too. So I think things will just slowly start to happen, especially right before the baby comes, because we can't travel anywhere once kind of April hits. Okay, I don't even know where to begin. Okay, I'm just gonna grab a bag here. What do girls wear, bro? It's actually kind of tough. I know she'll want her mask. We're going to a really nice restaurant, so I don't really know what she's gonna want to wear. So we live kind of far from where we're staying tonight, so I just don't want to drive back. Janine's probably gonna be mad at me because the closet is not clean. We're still, I mean, guys, we're still trying to move in. These are a lot of her shoes. I swear we're not hoarders. It just looks bad right now. Okay, give us grace. Okay. Also, I think she would wear this dress right here. What's this dress? It's new. She hasn't even worn it. But I imagine this is some of her dress. Now we gotta find shoes. Okay. Let's figure out what shoes she would wear with that. You know what? I think she'd wear those sandals I had earlier. Definitely none of those. This is not easy. I think with these sandals, I think these sandals go with that. I think so. We're gonna go with it, okay? So we got shoes, we got dress. What else do you think she needs? Makeup. No, she already has her makeup on. Toothbrush, toothpaste. Gotta get that. Okay. I'm not really sure what half this stuff is. I don't even know how women's clothing, like, I don't even know, how does that, what, I don't even know what that is. I'm just gonna take it. Take it. Take it. I've seen her wear this blue shirt quite a bit, so I'm gonna take that too. Okay, now this is the hard part because I gotta figure out what, like her makeup remover, like her nightly routine. This is gonna be hard. Like, I have no idea what to grab. So I'm just gonna grab deodorant, makeup wipes. I think this is what these are. I'm guessing. I think I've seen her use those. I think I need the makeup remover, like liquid stuff, I think. Gosh, this is tough, man. Where's the stupid makeup remover? I'm guessing that's it right there. Cleansing water removes makeup plus hydrates. Jeanine, this is all you're getting. Makeup removers. Honestly, I don't think I need to do the whole thing. Probably just a few. A few will do. And deodorant. Toothbrush, toothpaste, makeup wipes. That's all you get, Jeanine. I'll give you a few more makeup wipes just in case. Okay. Alright, I sure hope that's everything. Alright, I think this is it. Jeanine, I hope this will do. Let's go get our girl. Guys, I failed.
Okay, first of all, I got my massage. It was so nice. And then Caleb went home to like clean and regather all of our things. And so, because I think we're gonna be out of the house all day. And I was like, oh, are we gonna have time to go home and I can change and like pick a different outfit out for dinner? And he goes, oh, I grabbed you an outfit already. And I'm like thinking in my head, like, oh my God, did he buy me an outfit? He's like, I got you a white dress from your closet. He grabbed my skirt.
That is no way that's a skirt.
It's a skirt, babe.
That's so funny.
I can show you what it looks like. I can maybe pull it off, but this is not a lot of booby room right here.
I literally pulled it out of your
That's so funny.
Closet. I was like, guys, I found the dress.
That is so funny. Yeah, no, this is my skirt.
So we gotta go back home now.
Yeah, I probably.
You can't just wear that.
I'd prefer to.
You look great. Why just wear that?
Babe, this isn't nice enough.
Yeah, it is. Now we're at Lifetime. We're gonna get a workout in, and then I got one more surprise for Jeanine that she doesn't know about. I'm gonna go ahead and tell her
Really?
now, so we can plan the best. Because I thought about it. I tried to pack for you. We're not gonna be sleeping here tonight.
Wait, that's why you packed for me?
I was trying, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wait, really?
Yeah, I tried. So in the trunk, I packed your toothbrush, your toothpaste, and makeup wipe remover.
Oh,
but that's all I could.
Oh no.
Yeah. So I was like, I don't want you to be uncomfortable tonight.
Yeah.
And you don't have your pajamas. You don't have.
I need all my skincare.
So I pushed back the dinner reservation so we could go home.
We're not staying here?
We're staying downtown Oklahoma City tonight.
Oh,
And
fun.
It's called the Skirvin.
What's that?
It's like a historic type hotel downtown.
That's so sweet. I'm so excited. I had no idea you were doing that.
It's a really nice hotel.
Really?
Yeah.
Wait, that's so fun.
Yeah. It's supposedly haunted too.
Oh, I rebuke that in Jesus' name. Not in my room. Okay, we got a little workout in, which was nice. And then I got to FaceTime Maddie, which was so sweet. She called me. And now we are gonna go to dinner and go to this hotel. So I packed a little bag and I'm wearing this. This is just a cute little dress from Target. I love it because it is flattering on my bump and it was actually really affordable. I think I paid $20 for this dress. So we're gonna go stay at this hotel, do dinner. I'm starving, so I cannot wait to eat. And look what cake I got in the mail from Susie's Cake. Look how cute. That's so sweet. It's beautiful. It's like my little happy and healthy colors. And it kind of matches my dress, so I love that. I'm gonna eat that tomorrow for sure. But today has been so fun. I'm just so thankful. Yeah, it's just been so sweet. Like I do feel so loved, and just all my friends and my family texting me, and just the way Caleb's loved me today has been so sweet. So I'm just very, very grateful. All right, babe. Tell them what we're doing.
We are staying in the Skirvin Hotel.
Oh, it's pretty.
Is a really nice hotel here in downtown Oklahoma City. And this hotel has a lot of history. It's like one of the oldest hotels in Oklahoma City. There's like funny stories and people say it's haunted, but it's not.
How cute. We were asking the valet guy, like, hey, is this place really haunted? And
tell them the story.
I don't really want to tell the story because I think it's so morbid.
I'll tell it then.
I feel like they should Google it.
Okay, so
oh my goodness, babe. This place is great. We got mac and cheese. You can't even see it. Steak, and then we had Brussels sprouts earlier. I got a little mocktail.
And I'm the dessert.
Oh. Okay, everyone. That is a wrap on the birthday vlog. Are you trying to hide your boobies?
Yeah. Only for you to see.
Thank you. So we're staying at this beautiful hotel, cute little room, and today was so fun.
It was so fun.
Thank you to my sweet husband. He planned that so well.
I rest now after a long day in the war.
He's in hibernation for another year now, till my 32nd birthday. Actually, no, we got a little baby moon, a push present coming up.
It was
No,
so
I'm just kidding.
fun making it special. And, you know, one thing we were supposed to do that we didn't show is I was supposed to take her shoe shopping.
Oh yeah.
We ran out of time, so we're gonna have to figure out a different day to do that too.
Oh, we have more house stuff coming. We have way more house stuff coming because let me tell y'all, the house is still in shambles. People are like, where's your moving vlogs? Here's the thing, I still don't feel like we fully moved in. Like, we've been so busy that the house, honestly, there's still boxes everywhere. It's kind of embarrassing. So we're working on that. So stay tuned. Love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next week for another vlog. Bye.